It's one thing to hear me talking about how this is a great class, but why take my word for it? Because there's thousands, literally tens of thousands of other students. I've taught close to 2 million people how to program, and there's tens of thousands of other students who've left me amazing 5-star reviews. Now this only comes from time. I've been teaching for over 2 decades at the college and university level. I've taught undergraduates, I've taught graduate students, I've taught people who are just hobbyists and interested. I've even taught young kids, like elementary school kids, how to code. So I've been teaching for over two decades, and as Malcolm Gladwell says in his book Outliers, it takes about 10 years to really become great at something. And so over those 2 decades, I've really learned what it takes through trial and error to help people learn to code, to help people learn this material. So that's one of the benefits that you're going to get by taking this class, is you're going to be taking the class from someone who's been teaching this material a really long time and has learned how to help students learn it more quickly, efficiently, and with more fun. Because hey, guess what, people? When you're having a good time, it actually increases your retention. They've studied it. It helps you learn. So I try to have a good time always, because what's the point of life if you're not having a good time? I try to have a good time always while I'm in class and while I'm teaching. I love it. It's fun. I love sharing my passion for all this stuff with others, and that actually helps them learn more effectively, more quickly. So you're going to have a great time in this class. You're going to learn this material really well, but don't just take my word for it. Look at all these reviews, which are still going by. This is a document that I keep here with a ton of, whenever somebody leaves a nice comment for me, I just copy paste it and put it into this document. So yeah, don't just take my word for it, but take the word of all these other people who have left these great reviews. And I hope that in a very short period of time, you'll be another individual who is super satisfied with this course and who is leaving a great review, sharing with others how much you appreciated it, and letting them know that this is a good place for them to learn programming too. So thanks for coming to this class. Go ahead and click that buy button, come join us. And if you still have any other questions or still unsure about taking the class, watch some of the other videos on this page, like the satisfaction guarantee or the Easter egg, and then you could buy the course by clicking that buy button and join us. I look forward to seeing you in class.